Hello friends, welcome to our Photoshop tips and tricks. How easy to crop documents in Photoshop. First, close on layer option. Next, select on perspective crop tool. ID card 4 sides or click drag on select. Next, enter on keyboard. Automatic crop the ID card. Click layer option and unhide the first layer and duplicate the layer. Then select on object selection tool. Then drag the cursor to select object. Then add layer mask. Then select second layer. Upside normal to change on multiply to click. Then go to image to adjustment to desaturate to click. Then go to image to adjustment to levels to click. Then levels right side point value to 115 to adjust. Then click OK button. Then select first layer to click image. Then go to image to adjustment to color balance to click. Then adjust the colors. Then click on OK button. Then look at the image. Select on elliptical mark tool. Draw the circle mark. Next, click layer option and create new layer. Select on gradient tool. Click on gradient color. Collapse basic. Select on first color. Click on OK button. Click to drag the color. Upside normal to change on overlay to click. First layer right click to blending option to click. Select on inner shadow. Blend mode on linear burn. Color on black. And adjust value points. Next, select on drop shadow. Blend mode on linear burn. Color on black. Adjust the points. Click on OK button. Create on new layer. Go to select deselect on click. Select on brush tool. Opacity on 100%. Select the brush. Brush size to decrease on small size. And single click. Next, select two layers. Select move tool. Ctrl+T and right click to skew on click. And four sides are adjust. Enter on keyboard. Hold Ctrl+ drag to copy the water drops. And adjust the size. More times copy the water drops. Thank you for watching videos.